All right, this is LC Bikes. We're just trying to get bikes, old or new, and just flip them, make some money.
This is
a good little side hustle.
This is a 1973 CT175.
And we have the new bars here, which hold them like that. We have the cylinder head. We have the top. This is the old carb, and we're just gonna start trying to work on it. We're gonna hone this, put those on, and try to somewhat get the motor together. So now we're gonna take apart the bottom end and get this thing ready. Well, try taking apart those bolts right there stripped. Not really rounded. So they're a pain in the ass to get out. So we just put it back together. Trusting that this looks good, which I'm sure it is. You think it is? Now we're going to drop the bottom end in for now. A little easier to keep charging, you know. So. Can't see. Let's get that one on.
Well, it had to be the bottom one.
Okay, were the nuts different on these?
No.
Okay. So now we have this. Which one do we put on next?
The bottom one.
Oh, okay. I need to put
I only
this.
have 2 mouths. We got
It's kind of hard to get on. Not even an issue. Not really, but it's not just the angle. Is it 14?
Yeah.
You want
Let's
see.
the bigger size.
What is it?
Probably like 17.
Or maybe a 16.
17, I guarantee it.
Yeah, you little turds.
This bike's 17. 13. That's what this bike
See, my dad doesn't have this organized. 18, 7, 8. Found it. 17. On them.
Do the box.
No, I'm just doing this one. Okay. Wait, ready?
It's a smaller size on the bottom. Hold the bike up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is it, like a 16?
Smaller size for me.
Oh, I think it's a smaller size for me. So I felt like it was kind of skipping, maybe.
No, it was skipping on my side.
I also felt like it was kind of skipping. It looked like it was skipping on mine. I don't know if it is or not. Oh, shit, hold on.
We'll put it on then and check.
Well, guess who's holding a bicycle right now? Balance is on point.
Yep.
Look at that. Nothing's holding it, bro. That's crazy. All
Fleek.
right, hold on. I think it's... Well, let me get my hand on it.
awkward position. Do you need some ugga-duggas? It's not all the way on this.
That's better than it was.
Yeah, because that piece isn't on right now.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's see. Balance point again. Let me do it. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. And it fall.
It was about to fall.
Yeah. All right. Perfect. All right, I think it's ready to ride. You think so?
Yep.
So we're gonna get ready to put on the rear axle just for now, even though we have to. Yeah, rear assembly, same thing. But just because, it's not gonna be permanent just because we need to replace the tire,
And the sprocket.
the sprocket, and a lot of
We're not putting
things.
a rear sprocket on though.
Yeah, but we're just gonna throw in the axle and rear tire so we can. It's easier to load up.
Put the axle actually in.
Jump brake on, and just throwing on the thingy-majig.
Thingy-majig.
What are those? Just spacers?
Chain adjusters.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, I'm kind of dumb, alright? It's old. I'm not used to it. I'm used to something like that bad mamma jam over there, you know. But I'm not used to that.
There's no difference.
Yes, there is. My swing arm is different. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because it's not ancient. I mean, actually, it is 36 years old. It is pretty old. But it's not. My swing arm actually looks like some modern swing arms. So. The tires somehow actually hold air. We got this thing on all the way, but it's really just for loading up. So it's a progress, but shooting to get it done by February.
Yeah, hopefully.
Mm.
If not, trade it before that.
Yeah.